Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to learn how you can create this kind of 3D scenes animation in DaVinci Resolve very easily. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So in the edit page, go to the effects and search for fusion composition and drag drop to your timeline. Now open in the fusion page. Now let's go to the effects option and expand the tools. Here you can see the UHD option. We're going to use the UHD to create the 3D scenes. So first of all we need the 3D models. So I am using Sketchfab for using the 3D maps. Here you can see. Now go to the download 3D model and make sure you should download in UHD set option. You can download or explore from any categories or directly search the 3D models. I have already downloaded it. Now let's add a uloader. It will automatically open your files and select the downloaded 3D model. Now we have to add a urender after it, but before that we need a umerge, or we can simply add a u camera. It will automatically add a umerge also. Now select the umerge and then add a urender and select the urender to the preview screen, and in the inspector select the camera to U camera 1 and lighting to the scene. You can see the blank screen cause we had no light in our environment, so we need a sphere light. So you can find the U sphere light here and drag it and connect the output to the U merge. Now select the U loader one and after that add a U transform. Now select the U merge to the preview window. Here you can see that our 3D map is so huge, so we need to transform its size. So in the U transform, decrease its size and set it to 0.004. Now quickly adjust its camera. Okay, move the camera to the backwards and set the camera like this. Okay, now go to the urender and set the preview window to urender and back to the U camera, and in the transform tick the use target option and change the camera position to make our scene visible. So I am just quickly doing the camera rotations. Okay, I want this straight view from the upwards, so I am just quickly adjusting my camera positions. Okay, now you can see the textures in our 3D environment, but we need a monochromatic look. So after the U loader we have to add a U replace material node, and by default its color is white, so you can change it. Okay, I choose this color. Okay, now that's look interesting. Let's change the U sphere light position cause it is too bright there. So I am quickly adjusting the U sphere light. but that is looking weird cause our urender had not enabled the shadows option. Make sure you checked it out, and now that's look good. Now add another loader, and now select the 3D human option and copy the view transform and paste it after the human 3D. Now connect the output to the umerge and increase the Y value to make it visible. Okay, here is our 3D character. So we want to position it somewhere near around the street light. So to make it easy, we have split in two windows, and in the first window we have opened the umerge. So now it's will be easy to find out our 3D model and move its position. So now quickly decreasing its size and moving its position to the our main frame. Okay, that's our character. We need its position near around this street light. Okay, now slightly adjust the positions. Okay, now we can rotate our characters like this. Okay, yeah, that's the position I want to place my character. Now it's fine. Now select the human 3D and add another replace material and change its color so it will be more visible and looking good. Now finally change the camera animation. In the first frame we will move our camera from this angle, and in the last frame we will move our camera towards the left and get a zoomed out view. You can do your own experiments and camera movements. You don't need to copy anything. Okay, now you can see how we can easily create the 3D scene. Now finally connect the render to the media out. Its playback is so laggy cause our system need time to render it out. But once render you can see the results. You can add more elements like another 3D models or shapes or elements in your 3D scenes and create this kind of cool 3D animation in DaVinci Resolve. If you learned anything from this video, make sure you hit the subscribe, like, and I will see you in the next video.